Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top 5 of the best ultralight gaming headsets in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. Best overall, Razer Kraken X Ultralight. At first, we have the Razer Kraken X Ultralight. This Razer Kraken X is a headset that's dedicated to superior sound quality and long-lasting comfort so you can play at your best all day. By design, it looks identical to the rest of the Kraken headset lineup. And in addition to that, this Razer Kraken X is also very comfortable, with thick memory foam around the ear cups and the underside of the headband. Now for the sound quality, equipped with 7.1 surround sound software, it will let you experience accurate positional audio when gaming. And featuring a custom-tuned 40mm drivers, this Razer Kraken X can also produce clear and balanced sound from thundering explosions in all-out wars to subtle footsteps in stealthy covert operations. Best value, Eska AirJoy Plus. Next is Eska AirJoy Plus. This Eska AirJoy Plus gaming headset is a mid to low budget entry into the gaming headset market. It weighs only 204 grams. It has an ergonomic design that is light, breathable, and comfortable to wear for a long time, bringing you a feather-soft experience. As an over-ear headset, it comes with an adjustable ear cup angle, and this ear cup can be rotated 90 degrees externally for easy portability. While for controls, you can use its physical volume plus and minus scroll wheel to control the volume easily. Now, moving on to its sound quality, with a built-in powerful 40mm magnetic neodymium driver, this headset can deliver you superb sound quality and rich detail to hear scenes and characters in all aspects. And using ENC chips and AI algorithms, it can also reduce non-target voice noise during calls and ensure clear calls, giving gamers more freedom for voice communication. Best with cat ears, Samick eSARS. Next up, we have the Samick eSARS. This gaming headset is designed for girls that use RGB lighting effects on cat ears and ear cups, where you can switch between 9 different colors of incredible lighting effects just by touching the ear cups. Its earmuffs come made of high-grade soft silicone material with an ergonomic wearing structure design, which provides long-time wearing comfort. And when it comes to its sound quality, featuring a mic equipped with 50mm speakers and a virtual 7.1 surround sound, you will be provided with a realistic gaming experience. While with built-in high-definition noise reduction, this retractable microphone can also accurately pick up sound with less background noise. As a wired USB headset, it is plug-and-play, so there is no need to charge. And finally, for connectivity, it supports PC, laptop, and computer. Best for Nintendo, SteelSeries Arctis 1. Next is SteelSeries Arctis 1. This Arctis 1 is an all-platform gaming headset that doubles as your on-the-go headphones. With a detachable microphone and sleek and low-profile design, it will let you enjoy the performance of Arctis no matter where you are. And for ear cups, it houses padded airweave ear cushions and adjustable steel-reinforced headbands for providing long-lasting comfort and durability. Featuring the critically acclaimed signature audio of the Arctis line, it can offer precisely balanced and incredibly realistic in-game audio. And adding the widely recognized best mic in gaming, Arctis Clearcast bidirectional microphone, it can also deliver you studio-quality voice clarity and background noise cancellation as well. Best for Xbox, Turtle Beach Recon 50. Lastly, we have the Turtle Beach Recon 50. This Turtle Beach Recon 50 is designed for Xbox One headset that has ongoing compatibility with Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S. It features a lightweight and comfortable design, and when it comes to its performance, it has high-quality 40mm over-ear speakers that will deliver amazing sound and ensure you hear every crisp high and thundering low. While for even more immersive audio, this Recon 50X supports spatial sound technologies like Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos, and DTS headphones. For controlling this headset, you can quickly and easily adjust its master volume and mic mute with the included convenient inline controls. And finally, in addition to these features, this Recon 50X also houses Turtle Beach's renowned high-sensitivity mic for in-game and online chat, which, if needed, can be removed when watching movies and listening to music. With its versatile multi-platform connection, you can make it perfect for using the Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and Xbox One, as well as the PS5, PS4, and PS4 Pro. While for Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile devices, you can connect it with its 3.5mm connection.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.